Okay, today is Friday, the 3rd of January. Just want to show you a beautiful clock we just got. So as you can see, it's 5 o'clock and here. Nice Howard Miller. Not sure of this exact model, but brought it home, leveled it off, and started the pendulum, and with just a little bit of adjustment, it's keeping pretty nice time here. And the moon phase set that up too. So we received it on January 1st, 2014, and I believe it was delivered to the original owners in 1978. So that gives you an idea. Not crazy about the exact style or color, but the price was right, and it seems to be working good. Just got to get it oiled. That's it. Thanks.